Right, Puffins, it's now time for maths, doing some numbers. So yesterday, which number block did we meet? Yep, number 6. Let's just quickly count to 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's do 6 claps just to remember as well. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, let's use the number cards. Right, we're going to start then. I'm going to show you some numerals and numbers to 6 in a different order, in a random order. Shout out what you see. So what's this one? Yeah, number 2. This one. Number 5. This one. Number 3. This one. Number 1. Number 6. Number 4. So this one here was the new one that we looked at yesterday. Now, get your cards from 1 to 6 ready and shuffle them up. You can pause this bit if you need to get them ready, and then we're going to have a race to see who can put them in order first. Can you beat me? Put them from 1 to 6. On your marks, get set, go. Right. 1. Oh my gosh, don't beat me, don't beat me. 2, 3, I'm going to win. 4, 5, oh no, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you beat me? I hope you didn't. Right, let's meet the number blocks to go with the numbers. Can you remember the colours of them? What colour is number 1? See if you're right. 1 is red, okay. What about number 2? What colour is number 2? Orange. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What about number 3? What colour is number 3? She loves herself, doesn't she? Right, number 3 is yellow. What about number 4? The one who loves squares. Let's have a look. Right, it's green. And then what about high 5? Number 5. What colour is number 5? Got like this turquoise blue colour, haven't we? Now yesterday then we met number 6. What colour is our new number block? Can you remember? See if you're right. She is purple. Now, can you see, by looking at the number blocks, that they go up like a flight of stairs, that 6 is 1 block more than number 5. Just like we found out with these ones. At each number, it's 1 more as you go up. So if you've got 1 more than 1 makes 2. And then if you've got 1 more than 2, put that together, look, you get the 3. 1 more than 3 gets to 4. 1 more than 4 gets to 5. So 1 more than 5 makes 6. Right, should we have a look at number 6 a bit more in detail? And can you spy, this one's actually got some different things on the front of this number block. What can you see? Yeah, she's got different spots, hasn't she? And on each number block, part of her, each block, look, there's a different pattern. Where do you see those patterns? Something she did yesterday. I'll give you a clue. Ready? It's on a dice. Now, if you look on a dice, number 1, here it is. Got how many spots? Yeah, 1. Number 2, we've got 2 spots. But look at they're a diagonal line, aren't they? 1 up there and 1 over there. And then number 3 is the same shape as number 2, but there's an extra dot in the middle to make the 3. But when we get to 4, it's turned it into more of a square shape. There's number 4, there she is. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a bit like the square when we talk about a square's got 4 corners, and the 4 dots are like in the corners, aren't they? And when you get to 5, it's similar to 4, but what's different? Yep, there's 1 extra spot in the middle to make the 5. So we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and 1 more in the middle is 5. And then in her face, if you can see it between her eyes, how many dots can you see there? Got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. how is number 6 made using the dots? Can you see you've got a row of 3 and a row of 3. So that kind of shows that 3 and 3 makes 6. Right, what we'll do next is we're going to explore using a dice and some objects to make the patterns ourselves of what we can see on the dice. So go to a board game in your house and find a dice. If you haven't got one, there's definitely some apps I'm sure that you can find, or online, an online dice. So you need a dice and six objects that are the same. So I've got 6 yogurt pots here, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you go and get a dice and 6 objects, pause the video and then come back, okay? Right, then when you're ready, what you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice. What number have I got? I've got 3 because there are 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And what I want to do is get my objects and make 1, 2, 3 the pattern exactly the same as the dice. 1, 2, 3 in a diagonal line. Right, let's roll it again. Oh, this time it's 5. Actually, look, it's got that bit already. So the only bit I need to do is add number 4 here and number 5 there. So another go. Oh, this time I've got 2. So I don't need that one. Take that one away. Don't need that one or that one. And I've just got 1, 2. So have a go at doing that a few times. And the reason we're doing that is because we should be able to recognise certain numbers up to 5, say, organised in a certain pattern. We should just be able to just go 5 because we know that is 5 without having to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I roll it again, I shouldn't have to go 1, 2. I should just know that is 2. So your challenge today really is to be able to make all the shapes on the dice and then recognise what the number is on the dice without having to count. Right, good luck with making the dice shapes. And then what you could do later on this afternoon, you could always find a board game like Snakes and Ladders or Ludo, play the game and see if it helps you remember the numbers on the dice so that you don't have to keep going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that you can go, oh, that's 5. Alright, bye puffins.